In just over 5 short weeks, Montgomery County Public Schools
How you doing? We'll see you Friday, okay?
Has distributed more than 1 million meals to students while schools have been closed. At 50 different sites across the county, including Clarksburg High School, meals are distributed by drive-by or walk-up between the hours of 11 and 1.
For folks to be able to count on something, as there are challenges with getting the unemployment checks, as there are challenges with getting the grants and the funding for their businesses and for themselves as individuals, to know that there's food on the table, that there's somebody who's going to make sure that there's a meal that's provided for their children is incredibly important. And it's not just something that stabilizes them when it comes to nourishing their bodies, but it also nourishes their mind as well. It gives them one less thing to be worried about and puts their mind at ease.
Students around the county rely on the schools to provide free or low-cost meals that are a necessary staple for thousands of families on a daily basis.
We've served like over 330 meals already.
Jeannie Dawson oversees the Nerve Center, where everything that's provided for Montgomery County Public Schools is managed, including nutrition.
They also get milk and apples.
She says access to food during this crisis is imperative.
We strategically set ourselves out to get to our neediest areas, and we have served between 40,000 to 60,000 a day. In that first day, it was 2,700. By the end of the week, it was 19,000. And we have now reached a point of 1.27 million lunches, breakfasts, and suppers.
The meals are available to anyone 18 or under on Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Meal sites are closed on Thursdays, but students can receive 2 days' worth of food on Wednesdays. And to cover the weekend, backpack food sacks are being given out on Fridays. The food services workers are on site every day at 6 a.m. to make sure the meals are ready to go, a commitment that is nothing new to these hardworking employees who have been on the front line every day.
And they're putting themselves on the front lines of risk, but they're doing it because they know that they need to and they know how important it is. Just says something about who these people are.
You guys are rock stars, and I really appreciate you guys doing what you're doing. It matters so much, and so many people in the community are so appreciative. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I really mean that.
They're all coming together understanding that this requires a team effort. It requires all folks to come together to brainstorm about what it is that we're going to do to continue this effort into the summer and make sure that we're protecting our families into the future, not knowing what our future holds.
We serve 18 million meals a year. In our summer programs, it's about 475,000. Last summer, we had 2 year-round schools, our 2 innovation schools. With that addition, we served 508,000 meals over the summer. So we recognize we want to get through those disparities and inequities and try to get out more. So our long-term plan is to add and reach communities that we have not gotten to yet. We're committed. We are committed and we provide. That's our motto.
Reporting from Clarksburg, I'm Susan Kenedy.